Hey everybody! In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to cut out a part from the middle of a video in Canva. Super easy and beginner friendly. So let's just get started. Start by opening up canva.com on one of your browsers. I'm just gonna go ahead and use Chrome for this one. You can go ahead and use any of the browsers available and go to canva.com or even download the application if you prefer. After that, you can start by going ahead and uploading a video and drag it to your timeline. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up a project. You can select this option of create to create up a custom size. I'm just going to select this option right here for presentation, let's say. So I'm just going to select this layout. After that, you can drag the video into your timeline. For that, on your left hand side, look out for the option of uploads and click on it. And once you click on it, you can select the option of upload files here and go ahead and upload your video. I'm just going to use this video right here, and you can drag and drop it, and you can even resize it on your screen this way. Now once the video is resized, you should be finding the video on your timeline. You can view the video right here. This is the timeline we are looking for. You can look out for that, and we can start going ahead and editing out. So for that, you can go ahead and select this option of edit in the top, and there you can look out for different filters available. Now what you can do is select the video, right click on it, and select the option of edit as video. After you select the edit as video, the video should appear on a timeline. You can move the playhead, this one right here, like this, and you can place it where you want to cut out the part. So let's say this is the part I want to cut it out, this certain part right in the middle. Now I can right click on it, and you just need to select the option of split here, or we can press S on your keyboard as well. And there you go. Now the video has been cut out in two parts. You can see the video has been cut out. You can just go over and follow the same process. If you want to cut out the second part as well, you can just go over and place this playhead right in the part where you want to chop it. After that, right click on it. And once you right click on it, you just need to go ahead and select the option of split. And that will split out the video. And you can even delete the unnecessary part. If you want to delete it, you can select the part and select the option of delete right here. And that will delete the part right here. And you can just go over and join this part right here. And that will go ahead and create a different clip for you. You can even add up a new clip by clicking on this add media and blank and select the option of upload and add up a new video. And that is it. Once it is completed, you can select this option of share and download the video on your device. And that is how you do it. That is how we can cut or trim any part of the video in Canva, simple and fast. So if this video helped, do not forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.